Look. What you got, Abby?
I got something.
Here, what you gonna do with him? Here.
Let Mama have him?
Sit the pole right here.
I'm not touching that.
You're not touching him. We're going to put him in this basket. That basket, and we're going to put him back in the water. And that way, if you want him after a while, see, you got to get the hook out of him. You just like catching him. You don't want to have to deal with it.
He's sleeping on
What would you rather do? Fish or dance?
Fish and dance.
You like both.
I can't do
Watch it. Uh-oh. You got to stop him.
Come back.
There you go.
Oh, he's not.
You got to get him in there. That's the deal. You got to get him in the basket. And then we put him in and see if he can still live. He can swim around in the basket.
Really? Really?
Wow. Technically Mama got that one. You just helped reel it in.
This is her second.
Maggie's second.
Technically, she got one. I got the second one. You hooked him in the same place. Well, I hooked him in the same place. You did all that. Where'd that hook?
Put that on the same place.
Same place. Look at the other one.
You got to push the top down so.
Yeah, I didn't realize that. When I got in there, I was like, wait a minute. He's not in there.
See if you can. You can't keep your
He
fish.
wants to pop as soon as I get him in there.
Well, would you want to go in there? That's the way you do it now.
Are you filming that? You're chasing my fish. Yeah, perfect spot. Abby, you may want to reel yours in and we'll throw it out again. If you can try to keep it out that way. Not falling.
Can I do it right there? There's like a lot of fish. There. They might be caught. There's two.
What do you think?
There's two. Is it one? Two.
Who's two?
Say two like Natalie. Natalie's two.
You want to touch them?
Nope.
Nope. You just want to see them?
You want to throw them back in the water? Throw them back in the water? Say bye-bye.
See, Papa?
That's fish. Come here.
Fish don't say bop bop.
They don't really say a noise. It's a fish. You don't want to touch them.
Matt got a fish? What do you think, Natalie?
He's been in our bowl.
Look. Grab it, Bri. Where we at?
Stand right here.
Look, you want to hold it?
I can't touch it.
As long as we don't fan, I'm good. Okay, let's see. Okay, Abby, you hold this up like this.
All right.
That's my problem earlier.
3 times the charm.
Oh my. He's slippery. He did fin me.
I'm just.
He's gonna be fishing on that video. That's what I will. Got a bass.
She is a fisherman now.
He got off. No, it didn't. No, you still got to keep reeling.
Keep reeling.
Somebody can take mine. Reel it. It's getting stuck by the truck.
He wants back in the water.
Abby, get your fish.
I got 4 in a
Go
row.
get your fish.
All right, go stand by your fish.
Go stand by it. Hold the string.
Yeah, hold it real quick. I gotta reel it in.
I love the face.
Hold it closer. It's not. I think it's better video. I think that was maybe a little bigger.
Can
Huh?
I take these home?
Yes, you can take them home. I don't care.
Yay.
No, I don't. Here, hold this to
I
hot.
got some fish.
Hold it.
I got some fish.
He's got his fins out.
Don't.
Your fin.
What?
There, you went in a little easier.
Number 5 will be better, huh?
That was a little smaller. Keep reeling.
Well, I'm still gonna get that one.
You gonna keep that one too? Uh-huh. Isn't a little bite or two on that one?
When is that wolf?
I'm gonna fix that one.
All right.
This way.
Let's see if
I'll fix it.
number 5 is easier. Yay!
I need another drum. I had one of those fish things on the pipe, and it just ripped the drum off. The grib ring.
Right here. There you go. Hang on. Maybe somebody spit one off mine. Abigail had it. Watch it.
As soon as she give it to Brianna, the fish got off. Abby, hold her rod.
Abby,
To,
hold it for a second. My fishing pole. So it's my fish. Abby, reel. Don't.
every time you hand it to Abby, we get a fish.
Switch.
Okay, give me that now. Abby, you want to hold mine? No.
Look, what a good size.
Come this way, Bria. Let Nana.
Finally. Was Abby holding it?
Abby touched mine.
She touched Cayde's pole and he got a fish.
Oh no.
Magician.
You're the fish whisperer. That's pretty awesome.
Somebody needs to get this one off the hook.
She's white. Whoa. Oh, pretty. Oh, gosh.
That's a nice one.
That's a really big fish.
I've cut 3. I've got a bass, but we had a young
you need
too small. I've got 2 of the fish in here.
There we go. You need some more bait. We just found another worm. Hold it up here, Brittany.
We're gonna catch all the fish out of there.
Ow. Oh, gosh. Well, I think he flipped his way in there.
I want to take baby spot. Can I take baby spot?
Brianna got another one.
3 and the world here.
All right. My fish don't eat fake bait. You gotta have some grub worms.
This thing's heavy.
Well, I can't work See who gets it. Bri or Cayde?
The race to the finish. Almost.
Maddie, it's okay.
Y'all after the same fish?
I think so. Shove her in the water. Trying to get a fish.
They're after the same fish, dueling fishing poles.
Love you both.
Oh, okay, got it.
Look,
Uh-oh.
it got off.
The one that got away. Oh no, you went off that way.
Oh,
No, Maggie got another one.
I don't think I got him.
I had it. We're catching a lot of fish today.
I don't think it's the same fish.
I never knew that we could catch that many fish.
We got a pile of fish. You're gonna be eating fish sometime.
I don't really like fish, but I like getting the fish.
Abby, I may have to give this back to you. I'm not doing any good. Put your hand up.
Abby, go help him reel it in.
Catch that fish, Abby.
You gotta hold on to my pole. Come hold on to my pole. Hold it. Hold it. I'll hold it. No, get off.
Okay.
You're terrible, dude.
Abby, hold it.
Okay, I'm doing my magic now.
Big, get away.
Wait for my magic. Magic. Hey, you want me to hold you?
Do I have it?
Mama, you're still in my fist.
Where are we going?
Abby,
You have to tug it.
come here.
No,
Here, please.
I'm not doing my magic.
Why are you doing it on Mama? You come here. You help me with this.
Touch Cayde.
You gotta figure out your own.
Yeah, they gotta learn how to fish, don't they, Abby?
Yeah, you gotta teach me your magic.
Patience, huh, Abby? Patience. Nice fish.
So got my girl.
Ah, he's kind of pink looking, or she. You got a girl fish.
Oh,
Kind of pink.
that's a goldfish?
Come on, Abby.
Oh,
Look, this is all your fish today. What do you think?
I think that is.
Some of them's Cayde's, some of them's Bri's, but look.
Most of it's mine. Mama!
You got another one?
Abby, got a bite.
Wow.
Abby's got one.
Come on,
Baby,
let's
help
go.
Just
Come on, Ab.
How?
Oh, it got off.
Okay, we can fix your worm.
All right, let's
Lay
see.
it down and fix the bucket or net.
I like this bucket method a lot better. It's easier to line.
Yeah.
Number 4.
Well, we keep trying again. It's so slimy. Alright. You hold that.
The final fishing tournament of the evening.
Look, Abby.
Ooh, more fishies!
A lot of fish.
One more pull.
Come on, fishy.
Hold it up now.
What?
All right, watch this famous girl at work.
The first time it was like this, she said put it in the top, so I laid it and she started flopping. I'm like, oh. So I figured out, Abby, hold the top. Just hold the handle. So I figured out works better if somebody holds it
It will.
up.
Yeah, you just drop it. It'll fall to you. Yeah.
I figured it out after about 5 or 6 times. Pick it up. It's slimy. Yes, you're going to get a slimy hand.
You can't let your sister out, do you, man? Come on, we
You-
got to
you
take one
hold
for the
this
team
right
now.
here.
We got to take one for us. We all
I've
guys
got
here.
skins.
Good.
Just think of it as your opponent. You got to take him down.
You have to get under it. Okay.
He says he's taking him down. He's getting
Yeah,
them
you got to treat it
scales
like you
off.
want to live. Get rough with it.
I'm going to get it off.
Turn your hat backwards like Ash.
There you go.
Like
Now.
you're about to catch a Pokemon.
There you go. We got it
That's
now.
better now.
All Alright, he's on a downhill slide now.
Okay, is it
You
on?
gotta get up
Doing it, Abby?
here, up and down in there. Grab it.
Get at the edge here. Okay.
Yeah, get along there like that. Get him on that back
Right
edge.
here, back.
Get all the fur on that bottom in there. Yeah, see all them
Wait,
scales? See
turn
them
it.
on?
Wanna do that?
Yeah, you gotta have the scales off.
Yeah, don't eat them scales.
She's like, I'm good right there, huh?
Okay, come on. This side.
I can't see.
You gotta come, yeah, come in there.
I think I got them all off.
That's probably close enough, but you gotta cut it.
You still got.
You're on his very tip of his tail.
You got some.
See that shiny part like that? That's usually still scales when you see it shiny. Like
Bri,
that.
you wanna do one?
Not really.
She's like, I'll help, but we'll not.
You're already basically doing it.
I don't know. Yes.
Oh my.
Mama, did I get all the scales off
Walk
of them?
around.
Yeah, we'll walk around.
Put on something.
What do you want? Gotta make
All
sure
the
you got
scales
all
off
of it.
of them? Oh gosh.
He's like, would you please hurry up? This is getting frustrating.
Hold it.
Gotta go to the.
I was wondering why you would let go of the spoon.
Touching it?
This one?
Look him over.
Oh, look at you. Now you're not here.
No.
He's getting
Oh, stick him in there.
Put 'em in there.
He's waiting. He's putting his tail up there for you to stick it in. He's like, come on, hurry up. I'm getting cold laying out here.
I just
Oh,
got
it feels
slides
weird.
all down my jacket and my arm.
You're gonna smell
So
it.
you got your.
Fishy.
No, you need to keep it.
I would take my jacket off.
That's
but
what
I
the
got
old phrase
slides.
goes. You're in something up to your elbows. That's what it means.
Ugh.
Yes, it. Go for it, bro. You're gonna survive one of these days. The world comes to an end, and ain't no water everywhere. You go to catch fish and survive.
She knows how to cook too.
Yeah.
Right.